how to promote Digistore24 products without a website. Now, if you don't know what Digistore24 is, it's a marketplace just like ClickBank. Now, a lot of people are not accepted on ClickBank for some reason. Their countries are not listed. So if you are not accepted on ClickBank, just come to Digistore24 and you will get accepted on Digistore24 and you can promote their products. Okay. Now, I'm not gonna go into depth in detail because it is very simple, very easy. Step one is choosing a product. Okay. Now, normally when people choose a product, they look at the commission, which is great. Okay, you want to make sure that you're getting good amount of money, you're getting paid. All right, but it's not just about the commission, it's about the product too. Is the product legit? Is the product up to date? Is the product, does the product has competition? Are people promoting it? Are people making money? Can the product sales page capture someone's attention to make them buy the product? These are all the things that you need to look into, all right? And you also need to look into making sure that every method they are teaching is up to date. Now, how do you do that? The best way to do it is you purchase the product yourself and go through it, okay? Because if you do that, you will know exactly what you're promoting. You're making sure you're not promoting some kind of garbage product out there that's not going to work for the people. There are so many products out there. People go through the members area, go through training after training after training. They still don't make any money because the product is out of date. The methods taught is out of date. It doesn't work anymore. So you need to purchase the product, go through the training yourself, give it a test drive, see if it works, and then you want to start promoting that product because you know that this product works. Okay, but so that's the first thing you need to do when it comes to choosing a product. Make sure the product is looking good and put yourself in a newbie shoes. So if I go to a product just like this, so I'm just going to click on the sales page here because I want to see the sales page. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sales page, and then after click on the sales page, this is what's coming up. Okay, now this is a different language, okay, but this is for just for demonstration purposes. So I'm clicking on the sales page, and what I could see here is I'm putting myself in a newbie shoes, asking myself, if I was looking for a way to make money online and I came across this product, would this grab my attention? Would it make me feel like I need to buy this product to learn? If the answer is yes, then it's a good fit to promote this product. If the answer is no, then you want to switch to something else. Okay, now the good side of this sales page is it has a video. I highly recommend you promote a product that has a video because when it has a video, it has better conversions. If you promote a product that doesn't have a video, it depends on the niche as well. All right, so if it's a make money online niche, I highly recommend you have a video. If it's another niche, then it will depend on what type of product you're promoting and your audience, etc. So in this case, if I wanted to promote this product, I would just click on promote now and I would get my affiliate link. Now there's two ways to promote this product. One is direct linking. That means driving traffic to the page. This is not the best way, not the best practice to do business. If you really want to make real money online and you want to constantly build your business and take it to the next level, what you need to do is you need to build a list. How do you build a list? You need to create a mini landing page, a one page opt-in where you can grab the person's email address. Now, an opt-in page will look like this. Okay, so you're going to drive traffic to a page just like this, and people are going to enter the email and then they're going to go to the product. Now, most people will not buy on the first attempt, so you're going to follow up with these people through email marketing, and that's how you're going to generate a lot of money, a lot of sales, and you're going to grow your business. Now, now the question is, how do I create a page like this? Now, there are so many tools and softwares out there. I use a software called ClickFunnels. Okay, it comes with a 14-day trial. You can give it a test drive. The link is going to be in my description box below this video. You might want to check it out. Okay, and there are so many other free tools out there as well that will allow you to create landing pages like this. Now, I'm using ClickFunnels and I've been using it for years now and I love it. So that's why I recommend ClickFunnels to all my people. Okay, but at the end of the day, there's an option. You might want to go for a free tool. Now, there's a free tool called Clickera. Okay, you could go to Clickera and you could like create these landing pages and start driving traffic. Okay, now the downside to free tools is that the free version is very limited. So when it comes to free, you're very limited with landing pages, with traffic, and with leads, etc. So when you pay, you could get a lot more with paid than compared to free. Okay, but at the end of the day, if you want to go for free, there is a website. There are some other platforms out there too. I found Clickera to be one of the best, one of the good ones out there. So you might want to test drive it. And if you're looking for a very good done for you templates that you can have to create different type of landing pages, that I highly recommend using ClickFunnels. The ClickFunnel link is going to be in my description box below this video. Okay, and once you got that link, then you want to drive traffic to the page. Once you have connected all the dots, so basically once you have a landing page just like this, you want to connect the dots with your autoresponder, where you're going to do email marketing from, where you're going to send these emails out to. Okay, so once you have connected the dots, then it's time to drive traffic. Okay, now if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you're just a beginner, you might want to start driving traffic using email traffic, which is called solo ads. It's one of the best ways to get started. It's one of the best ways to start making money and start building a list very, very fast, right? So there are so many traffic providers out there. I've been talking about this in very much details in my other videos too, but I just tested this traffic and the traffic quality is 96. Okay, so that's why I am recommending this person as a traffic. So if I come here, wholesale traffic, okay, scroll down. So you could see that the traffic is very, very high quality and it's quite cheap as well. All right. So you could see that they are offering anywhere from 200 clicks to 2,500 clicks, US only. Now, 87% of buyers on the internet come from United States. Okay, so imagine that 200 clicks to 2,500 clicks from United States, and look at the price. Compare this with other traffic providers. Okay, 45 cents per click. You might not see this, and the reason I'm recommending this is, first of all, I saw a lot of good reviews on the internet, and second of all, I tested it myself. Now, I haven't generated any sale yet because I just purchased 200 clicks too, and I was promoting a high ticket offer, by the way. But I have seen that the engagement with the traffic is very, very super high. And after looking into my tracking tool, which is ClickMagick, I saw the traffic quality was 96. So I was quite impressed. So I'm going to give it another test drive, buying a bit more traffic, promoting a low ticket offer this time, and see how it goes. But so far, my first purchase has been very, very good. So I thought, let me share this with my subscribers, with my viewers, if they are interested in buying traffic. Now remember, just buying one-time traffic and expecting millions, that just means that you don't have the right mindset. You need to buy traffic after traffic after traffic. Keep on fueling your business. If you don't do that, you're not going to make any money. You can't reach your goals if you're just going to buy traffic one or two times and expect millions and then just sit back and then not buying traffic for the next 1 year. It doesn't work like that. You have to constantly buy traffic after traffic after traffic, continue to fuel your business. So once you keep on doing that, you're going to build a list and you're going to start making money. And then when you start making money, then you take out at least 20% out of that money, reinvest it back into business. And that's how you build your business and take you to 6 figures and 7 figures. You understand? So you need to get the mindset right. If you don't have the mindset right, you don't have a mindset of investing in your business, then that just means that you're not ready for business and you're just still, your mindset is into your 9-to-5 job. You need to shift it from your 9-to-5 to a business mindset. And a business mindset is never giving up, keep trying, continue to invest in your business, and keep on spending money on traffic generation, education, learning, etc., to take your business to the next level. And you need to continue to buy traffic and fuel your business, because if you don't buy traffic, you're not gonna get to where you want to be. All right, so that's how it all works. So once again, thank you for watching my video.